Facebook dating smile to match as friends. So, an explanation on how this works. So, smile to match as friends on Facebook dating means the person is connecting with you through the friendship side of dating. So, this option over here, friendship, browse and match with people as friends. So, not necessarily the romantic dating side. So, tapping smile works like sending interest back, and if both of you respond positively, you can match and chat. So Facebook's official dating help says matches happen when both people like each other, but it does not clearly explain this exact smile to match as friends working in detail. So basically, smile is pretty much friendly interest, not automatically romantic interest. It may appear when someone wants to connect as friends or when your dating settings or feature rollout includes friendship matching. So if you don't want friend style matches, you can change your dating preferences and only respond to people you actually want to chat with. So just go ahead into your profile and go into dating preferences. And inside dating preferences, you will see the relationship intent. This one. You're going to go ahead and press on this. And if you don't want the friendship option, you can toggle this off. Or, just choose another intent. But that's pretty much how it works. Hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.